This is Lithium Color Crush. It's a SiO2 based instant detailer, so it's for when your car gets dusty or you wash it, want to get some extra shine. This is not a new product. It's been out like 3 or 4 years, and it is from Lithium Auto Elixirs. I've made a video about their trim cubes, which is a nice product. I've also used their other detailer. They had it could be used for clay lubricant, and it's pretty nice, but it is not. I think it's sealant based. I can't remember what the name of it's called, but this is their SiO2 instant detailer, and it says here it can be used right after washing, so you can use it for a drying aid. And you can also use it as a waterless touch-up or a pre-show rub down. The verbiage they use on their labels is funny sometimes. It says any way you use it, any way you use Color Crush, your car will look incredible. We got our 24 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's been washed like 3 days ago, and it's just got some dust on it. Let's check it out. Okay, so from reading the instructions, it says Color Crush puts a layer of Palmer's SiO2 on your paint. So if you want the absolute best results in the endeavor, proper paint preparation will definitely enhance the outcome. Once your paint is prepped, spray Color Crush on a cool, clean surface in about 3 square foot area, buff to chronic shine with a clean microfiber towel. If your car's paint has not been seen any love in a while, a couple coats won't hurt. So I guess if you haven't washed it for a while, you can go over it again, and it won't hurt anything. So they've got a nice sprayer. Try not to use lots because we just got a layer of dust on here, and it comes out. It's kind of thick. I'm gonna give it a good wipe here. See how it flashes. And this Jeep does have DIY details, 3-year graphene coating on it. You can see from other videos. I'm gonna spray some extra over here because it's getting a little thin. So this, getting a little bit of streaking here. Paint's a little warm, but not hot. And we are in the shade. But with a little bit of wiping, it's coming right off. So it seems to be a little thicker than your average spray detailer. So maybe with that in mind, maybe it leaves more protection than what you typically see in a spray detailer. So let's do the other side and see how it goes. So the trigger sprayer on this is nice. It puts it out pretty evenly as you go through. So I'm thinking, just from not using this product a whole lot, this might be a wet towel, dry towel product, like some of the spray waxes are. But the more I'm wiping, the streaks are coming out fairly easy, so it's not a big deal. Got the streaky area right over here. So it doesn't flash off as like I like some of these detailers to do, but it does seem to be thicker consistency. When you shake the bottle, if you look at the bottle, it's not as watery as like Adams or some McGuire's ones. So I think when I use it again, I needed to do the 2 towel method. wet towel and a dry towel. But otherwise, it's looking nice, warm. Wiping on it, the dust definitely came off. Color is looking good. It's nice and shiny, nice and slick. So nothing seems to be left behind as far as like, grit, dust, whatever. So otherwise, it is a nice product. And this is not a brand new bottle. I've actually used it on my Blue Mustang before, and it does look nice, but I had not used it on the Jeep since I bought it. I want to see how it did on this color, because each color is a little bit different. Also, each paint manufacturer's paint quality seems to be a little different how they respond to products. Some paints are harder, some paints are softer. So otherwise, good product. I liked it on my car, but I thought I'd try it on this. Lithium does make some good products. And I've also used their, and I got actually this from Glovebox a while back, the monthly subscription service. So if you guys like trying new products, Glovebox is a fun way to do it. I'm a little bit of a new product junkie, like I've mentioned in some other videos, and some of my material for this channel comes from Glovebox because it's fun to try new stuff. And Glovebox, they send you basically it's a mystery box every month. You can gives you stuff to try, and usually it's a product, and then they give you a something to use that product with, like a towel or mitt or sponge or whatever, or brush or whatever you need to put the product on. So it's nice. So I've tried different things. I've wound up buying more products that I've tried through them, and they usually give you discount codes where you can get a discount on rebuying the products they send you. Because Lithium also makes a drying aid I might do a video on that is very nice. So anyhow, so this is the Color Crush. I think I'll try it on one more section here, and then we'll wrap up the video. Okay, for this next section, we've got some fingerprints and dust both together. That's from my little one touching the car door when she gets in and out. So we're gonna on this section we're gonna do the wet towel dry towel method and see if that helps with the streaking component. So I'll let this green one stay. The wet towel that I used on the hood there. Just cover the whole door there. So go there, wipe it in. Wiping it in on the door panel here. You can see the product does not flash off fast like some quick detailers do. So we'll get the dry towel out, and that's the missing ingredient right there. Having that dry towel to come back after it flashes. It's much easier than what it was on the hood. Some of this could be, let's see, the coating's been on here about a month. So I coated it, about a month ago. So I don't know whether streaking is just the nature of this product because it's thicker, or where I've got a coating and I'm putting this on top of it, but this is SiO2 based, so they should play. So, but the two towel method actually worked way better. So if you're going to use this product, have your wet towel and a dry towel, and it will flash off much easier for you. So I'm interpreting that where it's thicker, flashes off slower, it probably leaves more substantial protection behind than your typical spray detailer. And so, which would help with making your coating last longer. And it does look nice. Today was super hot and in the 90s, so this is the evening. Sun's still out nice, but it's hard to get good reflections off the Jeep to see how the paint looks with this on there. But I know from prior experience using on the Mustang that after this sits for a bit, it does enhance the color of the paint. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. And this is Lithium Auto Elixirs Color Crush. So we'll see you on the next video. And if you like these kind of videos, give me some feedback. Comments are nice. Like and subscribe. And and it makes more motivating to want to make more. And we'll see you the next time we play in the garage.